An annual report is not a financial statement. It's an update of status and payment. That's it. It's very simple. If you filed a corporation, LLC, limited partnership, or limited liability limited partnership in Florida, you should receive an email reminding you to file an annual report. Annual reports are due between January 1st and May 1st. If you file after midnight on May 1st, a late fee of $400 will be imposed. Nonprofits are not subject to the $400 late fee. Search for Sunbiz using a search engine or type in dos.myflorida.com/Sunbiz/. If you fail to file your annual report by the third Friday of September, your business will be administratively dissolved or revoked. Click on Manage Change Existing Business tab on the blue menu bar towards the top of the page. Scroll down to the first option under the Manage Change with e-filing heading and select File Annual Report. Scroll down and click on the big blue center button towards the bottom that says, "Click here to file your annual report." Enter your business's document number. The document number can be found in the email that Sunbiz sent you, or the email receipt of your corporate filing, or you can find the document number on Sunbiz by clicking on the Search Records tab. The number is 12 digits and begins with a letter, usually L. Click Submit. All the information about your business will be pre-populated. Scroll down and review the information to check if it's correct. If anything is wrong, click on the gray edit buttons on the right of each section and edit the information. In this example, we edit the registered address because it was wrong, and then we click the green Save button on the bottom. Check the radio button yes if you want a certificate of status. The default is no. Chris doesn't ever get these because they cost $5 and he thinks they're unnecessary. The status certificate is an official document summarizing the current status of the entity. It can be two types, type 1 in good standing, type 2 not in good standing. If all the information is correct, scroll down and enter and re-enter your email address in the provided fields in box 5. Scroll down and enter your name in the first box. Enter your title in the second box. Your title is the legal role you are playing in the business, such as manager, registered agent, etc. Your title is not prefixes such as Mr., Ms., or your job title in the business. In our example, Chris is listed in the Articles of Organization as manager, so he is typing the abbreviation MGRM. You can see what title he is under the name and address of personnel authorized to manage the limited liability company box. If our CPA was doing the annual report for us, she would enter her name and the abbreviation RA because she is the business's registered agent. Click the Moved On to Payment section green box at the bottom of the page. Check that the information is correct and choose the payment option at the bottom. Click the orange Continue button at the bottom left of this box. We chose to pay by credit card, so we entered our first and last name and address under the customer information box and then our credit card information below. Click Next. Enter your credit card information and click Next. Check the information. If it is correct, click the navy blue Submit Payment block on the lower right corner. Within seconds, you should receive a receipt confirming that your payment was successful. The cost of filing an annual report in Florida for your for-profit company in 2022 is $138.75. Take a screenshot and save it for your records. You should receive an email confirmation as well.